Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Burgett. This week we have been reading The Mixed Up Chameleon and Chameleon Chameleon, and we've been comparing and contrasting what the stories, how they are different, and today we are going to look at how they are alike. Okay, so this is our Venn diagram that we have been working on this week. This is from Chameleon Chameleon. We know that it is a nonfiction book, which means that it is a true story about chameleons, and the pictures are real. So somebody took real pictures of a chameleon as he was going through and seeing these different characters and finding something to eat. We know that real chameleons come in different sizes, and they can only hide in the trees. So when they're on the ground, that's when it's dangerous for the chameleon. And we also know that colors change with just the mood of the chameleon, not by what it is sitting on. So like if it was a red flower, the chameleon would not turn red. Now in the Mixed Up Chameleon, we know that's a fiction book, which means that's a pretend story. We also know that chameleons don't have wings, and they don't have fluffy tails, and they don't have giraffe necks. So that's how we know that it is not a real story. And the chameleon in our story, in the Mixed Up Chameleon, was talking to us. And we know that chameleons can't talk. And in the Mixed Up Chameleon, the chameleon was matching the colors of everything that it was on. So we are going to finish this middle part right here on how the two stories were alike. Okay, can you think of some of the things from the stories? So let's look through some of the pages. Do you remember this one? This one was a big one. What was this one? Oh, yeah, look. They ate bugs. And then the Mixed Up Chameleon, the story, look, were they eating bugs? Is that the same in both the stories? Yeah, so we're going to say eat bugs. And there was something else that we saw. What do they have? What do they both have in those stories? Yeah, they have a long tongue. And let's see what else we can find that is the same. I think we can find something. Oh, I remember this part. Let's see if we can find it on this one where we can see. Oh, yep. I think we're going to find it. Here it is. Oh my goodness, look. Oh yeah. See, like in the Mixed Up Chameleon, the chameleon was able to look from side to side. And in Chameleon Chameleon, he was able to look from side to side also. So the eyes move side to side. And then also, I think there's something else we found. Can you think of something that we found in here? And both that were the same? Do you remember when the chameleon was walking? Remember? Did he walk really fast or did he walk really slow? Yeah, he walked really slow. And in this story, the Mixed Up Chameleon, he did the same thing. He walked really, really slow. So we're going to put that as our last item that was the same in both our stories. So here is our Venn diagram, and now it is complete. Things that were different and things that were the same for both of the stories. We will be working on comparing contrasting next week also, so you will see this Venn diagram again, but with two different stories. I hope you really enjoyed our stories this week and working on our Venn diagram together. Hope you have a great day. Bye.